So I decided to dye my hair intense black from a light brown color, and these were my results. I used the Ion Permanent Black 1NN, and it really works very well. So if you're looking to dye your hair jet black, definitely pick this up. I put it up in the corner, and that is exactly what I used, and it worked wonderfully, and my hair was nice and silky soft after I was done. However, 3 months later, I decided I don't like this black color. I want to go back brown. So I decided to use the Color Oops to get out the black. However, it didn't work that well. I then decided in that same day, yes, I wanted my hair to fall out, apparently. I decided in that same day to use a bleaching kit to bleach it, and these were the results. Yeah, it was uneven, very bright roots. Certain places were light, certain places were dark. It just really was terrible. So I decided to seek professional help. And so I booked an appointment with a stylist here in Tampa, and this was my inspiration, Elamai's hair color and cut. And in this next clip, you can see how close she got to it, and I think she did a really good job. The cut was perfect for me. I really love it, especially because it's hot and it's summertime, and the color is beautiful. I love the color. So going from permanent black to this light brown ombre hair color was super easy with the professionals. So what I learned from this whole experience is if you have permanent dye in your hair, the first step is to try the Color Oops to get it out, and if that doesn't work, you're probably just gonna have to bleach it to the color that you want. And that's what really ended up happening with me. She was able to darken the roots with I believe semi-permanent natural brown to give it that ombre effect and correct the bleached or hot roots that I had from the previous bleach. And then she bleached the bottom part to the color that she wanted, and then toned it with some toning shampoo to get that brown color that you see. So I was impressed and I liked it. It feels good, feels healthy, feels strong, doesn't feel brittle. And I know that if I would have continued down the road I was going, I probably would have had all my hair falling out. So yes, these are the steps that I took to go from permanent black to light brown. Thanks for watching, and as always, if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, love you, bye.